Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discuss with you how to receive money on PayPal. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start receiving payments or transfers inside your PayPal account here, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, there are multiple ways on receiving money with PayPal. Now, the direct and the easiest way here is you requesting the actual payment. So in this case, you want to go to paypal.com, log into your account. At the very top, you want to go and click on send and request option here. And inside the send and request section, you want to go ahead and just type in the username, the name, the email, or even the mobile number of the person that you want to request from. Like for example, I want to request to this specific account. Let's go and select this one and select their name or email address. Now from here, you can have the option that says, or you have the option to add a note, add the amount, and even choose the currency that you want to basically receive. Now what's important here is going to be the request option. Now, in this case, if you click on request, you'll be requesting the transfer to your account. And if you choose send, this will send the payment. So make sure to choose the option here that says request. Now, in this case, once you've added the amount that you want to request in here and basically click on the request button, this will send an email, a message, or a link to the person that you want to, or you are requesting from. As you can see right now, you just need to click on request a payment and they'll be notified of your request. Now, typically, they just need to open up the link and just complete the form that they will be receiving. Now, typically, once they've completed the form, you should be able to receive the payment on your account here. And make sure once you go into your activity or in your wallet here, just make sure to click on the confirm option once you do receive the actual funds. And you can go and send a message as well if you want. Now, the other way for you to start receiving money is just by sharing your link. Like, for example, if you have socials and you want people, if you want to start receiving donations, well, at the top right here, you want to have want to click on the gear icon. It will redirect you to your account and it should show you your PayPal link. Now, you could go and just copy this one and just give you some idea if people or someone actually access the link that we are copying right now, it will redirect them to this page here, which should allow them to send payments or send or donate or whatever way they want. So if you click on send, or if someone clicks on send, this will redirect them to their login page or even like directly to the donation or the send form inside PayPal if they're already logged in. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.